from the store.
Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title of today's video, I'm going to finally be trying some Kylie Cosmetics anything. I have never tried anything of hers. Have I? No. Literally never. Nothing. Literally nothing. I bought a lip kit years ago, and I never used it. Literally never used it, and then I ended up selling it because I was like, oh, I never used this, so what's the point of having it? The other day, I was in Florida, and I was in an Ulta, and it's just like, do you ever notice that whenever you go shopping anywhere else but where you live, it seems like everything's just so much better? So this Ulta that I went to, it had the Kylie Cosmetics line available, but it had so much more of her line, a larger range of products that she sells physically in the store. And the stores around me don't have that. They have maybe one or two eyeshadows and her lip kits, and that's it. So whenever I saw concealers, I was like, oh my god, I have to buy one because I've heard they're really good. The component is pretty much, is it the exact same as the Jeffree Star liquid lip? Yep. I mean, no shade on that. A lot of companies like this component, which I do too, the snap closure at the very end, knowing that it's airtight. Love that. I did get too dark of a shade. I was watching one of her videos and I heard her and Chloe talking about the concealer shade that they were using was maple. Well, on them it looked super bright, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just grab that color. I forgot they're Armenian and tan, and I'm not. So it is going to be way too dark on me. But nevertheless, I do still want to try it out and see is it something that's worth the hype, or is she just another one of those brands that makes mediocre products but makes way too much money off it? Opening it up, I love the packaging, the black with the black, I don't know, there's just something about this that's so simplistic but also so beautiful in my mind. Love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start, right? We're just diving in. So, okay, so I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge to kind of pounce everything in. And we'll just see kind of how it blends with the foundation that I've already got on. That's not bad. That's not bad. You really can't tell how bad of a mismatched shade this is. I feel like it's still even giving a little bit of a highlighting effect. Okay, sis, I see you. What? This is so brightening. For real. Oh my god. It is literally my skin tone, but look how bright. I am so pleasantly surprised. Maybe I did buy the right shade. Okay, that's a joke. Obviously I didn't. We saw that right before our eyes. That blended beautifully. Wow. I'm looking at myself in the monitor thing over here. That even gave brightening effect, and it's too dark. You go, Maple. I love this. Do I need to continue? Oh my god, this is beautiful. So clearly, Kylie concealers are worth the hype. Mind blown. I am shocked at how much I really like this. I thought for sure I would just be meh, it's okay. I paid for the name. Y'all, I paid for a good product. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my face really quick. We're just going to see how the rest of everything else kind of sits on top of it. And I'll give you my total final thoughts once I've got my whole face done. So hold please. So the excitement did not end after I shut off the camera when it came to this concealer. Obviously concealer doesn't make your entire makeup look, but trust me, when it sucks, it completely destroys your makeup look. And I feel like the center of my face has... I can't stop staring at myself in the monitor. And I have a puppy dog licking my arm. This is quite a sensory experience. I just feel like the center of my face is so snatched and highlighted, and it's just... it's awesome, guys. I really thought that I was paying for the name of the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. I had almost no hope at all that it was actually going to work, let alone be something that I'm this excited about, and I am so pleasantly surprised, and thankfully, because if I remember right, I think it's $18, $20, $22, I don't know, something like that. So yeah, I mean, I'm thrilled. So my final thoughts are, this is 100% worth it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this super quick video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Give that little thumb thing a like. Give my video a like if you enjoyed it as well. What are your thoughts on Kylie Cosmetics? Have you guys tried anything? Let me know if there's something else that I'm missing that I should definitely be trying. So I think that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!